In front of me is Xiaomi Redmi Note 12s, and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder. You need to begin by locating Tools folder and from it selecting Recorder app. When you're ready, click on this gear at the top right corner and adjust all of those options however you wish to, like recording format. Then go back and start your recording by tapping on this red button. Then selecting while using in the pop-up. And allow or don't allow in the other one. As you can see, finally recording is on. If you want to pause it or unpause it, use this left button. In order to add a bookmark, click on the right one. And to end it and save it, on the middle one. As you can see, my recording is here. You can play it by clicking on it. If you wish to rename it, hold it. Select Rename option at the top and type in wherever you wish to. To save your new name, click on OK. You can also delete it by holding it, but this time selecting Delete option over here and choosing Delete in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!